But now, if you come back here, my car did roll, and it is against the garage. What is up, CG family? Welcome back to another episode.
And welcome to the colorful Neochrome Mustang.
Yes, this is like the first video actually we're filming with it, and
fully wrapped.
Fully wrapped.
And so what we're gonna do today is go take it on a car wash. Now what Grant has noticed is that this wrap scratch is so easy, but I feel like you won't be able to tell with this wrap, especially because it's very like neochrome. So we're gonna go take it out on a wash and then we'll be right back. We have a lot of like side panels and small like side skirts and stuff to wrap, and we also have to wrap the roof black.
Yep. So over the course of today and possibly tomorrow, we're gonna be doing the roof, which already looks black, but it's actually still Kona blue. We're gonna be tinting the windshield 50%. We're going to be wrapping the sides right here if we have enough wrap. And we're gonna be putting on a windshield banner and just, you know,
wow, that's a lot.
Let's go to the car wash though.
Yep.
Your Z's looking cute though.
Thank you.
The first cold start with the wrap. You gotta move that seat all the way up.
Literally.
I love those taillights, never get sick of them. Looking good. What'd you get this out of, a Happy Meal?
Yep.
Time for your TikToks. There's a train stopping traffic, and the train's literally stopped on the track, so we're gonna have to go around the long way because our car wash is right on the other side of the tracks.
So we're going around?
So we're going around.
Oh, no.
We went down a mile and the train is still stopped, so we definitely made the right move here, to say the least.
Yes.
Oh, we're gonna crash, we gonna crash! No.
This man is going through the grass.
I'd be on cuckoo. That's what it feels like to be a police
Rally
officer.
Mustang.
Rally Stang. Ooh.
You're crazy.
Focus ST. I ain't waiting for all you slow ass train people.
UPS is getting a wash.
Soap. So we have all of our materials. We have the black vinyl from BigTime Grapicss, and we have our squeegee and our soapy water. We're gonna be applying this the wet method, unlike the rest of the wrap. This is gonna be probably the only thing you have time for today, maybe one more thing.
I'm already fighting with my sisters.
Yeah, she's gotta get going, but we will resume the rest tomorrow. But let's get these boys installed. Got our heater on, of course.
Alright guys, so we're going to be quickly using some soapy water, which is like 2 drops of dish soap and all water. You're going to mix that up until it gets foamy, and then use a spray bottle. We're going to spray it all over the roof, and then we're going to lay down the vinyl and then start squeegeeing. So guys, I tinted my windshield finally. 0%?
0%, yes. Okay, you want to spray soapy water on the surface. There are 2 ways to apply it, wet and dry. This is the wet method. Guys, if you didn't know, she always gets to peel this before. She always beats me. At least 20 times now since we've wrapped the car.
This is, yeah.
Look at this this arm stretch, the wingspan. You want to wet the back of this a little bit?
I think it's fine.
Let's wet the back a little bit.
Spray it all on my face.
Ready? Time to squeegee. I'll show you guys what it looks like. This is what we are working with. So we are now gonna squeegee out
Water. You're gonna have to keep doing that until we get all the freaking soapy water out.
So guys, we're actually splitting up the roof into 2 separate parts. Basically, you can see the line right there. And that's because this isn't exactly wide enough, so we're gonna seam it down the middle. I really don't care about seaming because the rest of the wrap is seamed. We finished the first part, it turned out pretty good. I realized after squeegeeing that I'm pretty sure there's not a layer over it, so I like dead-ass scratch the hell out of it. So that's on me, but now time to do the second part. Alright guys, so we finished wrapping the roof black. We just need to cut now around the edges and stuff.
Finished. I didn't do anything.
Yeah, this time
I was doing what I was doing like right now.
Right now, that's what you're doing the whole time?
Yep.
On your phone?
Yep.
Wow.
Business meetings.
So yeah, so Christina's about to get going, and we're gonna resume tomorrow.
See you guys tomorrow.
And we are back. It is the next day. Well, we aren't. It's just me right now. But We're gonna finish cutting the roof, and then we're going to, what should we do next? Okay, so obviously it's not gonna be perfect, but we're gonna go over any air bubbles or imperfections with the heat gun one more time, and then we're going to cut the edges because it goes all the way down to like right here where you guys can't even see. But let's fix some imperfections. Okay guys, we got our knife, or our X-Acto knife, and it is time to cut. This is the scary part. So guys, we finished cutting and I heated it one more time and laid down the edges. They still have to kind of settle in, but this is how it turned out. There's obviously some imperfections here and there, but like the rest of the car, it's not gonna be perfect. But we finished that up, and now I kind of want to tint. I kind of want to tint right now. So I think let's get to tinting the windshield. Okay guys, so up next I'm gonna be attempting to take this off so that we can clean the inside of the windshield. Wish me luck, because last time I tried to take off my rearview mirror, I sent a full crack right down the center. And that was about a month ago. So luckily it's 2021, so that means I have one windshield per year on my insurance. So if I need to put in a claim, I will, but I still don't want to crack it. Okay, it's loose. That's a good. Guys, oh my God, get out of there. I did it. I literally thought I was gonna just bust this windshield in, and I actually got it out. Oh my gosh, I thought the windshield was gone. Like, it came off, I was like, I just cracked the windshield again. But we got it freaking off. Now, I don't wanna let it just dangle per se. I guess we're gonna have to. I'm just gonna lightly set it back on the, just like that for now. Obviously the first step to tinting your window is you clean it inside and out. I got a squeegee and I have soapy water. This is a pretty new windshield, so I don't have to razor it or do a deep clean. I'm just gonna simply squeegee it. Obviously by no standard at all am I a professional whatsoever. You know, if you're looking for a tutorial video, like we always say, swipe out of this. But we're gonna be tinting it real quick. Let's get cleaning. Just to show you guys how satisfying this is. Ready? Look, check this out. That is so satisfying. So probably one of the most important steps, cleaning the inside, because that is where the tint is gonna actually lay when it's finished. Make sure you have all your window stickers off. So clean this accordingly. Most people will set down like a rag right here so that no water drips down. So here's my tint. I did look up the dimensions of this windshield, and this is supposedly the perfect size. So let's see what we are working with. Sometimes you guys have to twist it to get the film out because it's so tightly like packed in there. This is 50% window tint. Well, let's roll it out. It gives you instructions on how to apply it, but forget the instructions. No, I'm kidding. You should probably read those. I mean, I should probably read them. Just soak it, just don't stop, just keep going. If you think you have enough, you don't. So next you wanna line it up on the windshield. So I definitely could have gotten one size bigger. I do have a lot left over right here, but as you can see on the bottom, it simply was not tall enough in terms of its length. Now that you have it soaked underneath the film, you wanna soak the top of the film. And now you want to squeegee out as much as you possibly can. So now that we've cut all the edges off of the wrap, you want to get a heat gun and a squeegee and just kind of lay down the edges and get it fit just right. So you can see like these bubbles right here and here. Simply just grab a heat gun and kind of lay it down just like that. So obviously it's not perfect. There are some imperfections, obviously. But now that we got it sized up exactly how we want it, we're gonna peel the top layer off. Now we pull this all the way off. All right, so we rolled it up into a roll, I guess. God, oh, I don't even know what the hell to do at this point. I don't like this, so I don't tint for a living. Now you wanna spray the inside of your windshield. We're gonna try this. Try it out, see how it goes. Oh. Alright, I'm dropping my e-brake. I hope the car doesn't back into the garage. I'm coming over there, you guys. Dude, how do people tint windshields? This is Oh no, no, no. Okay, we actually laid it pretty well, but it's as good as it's gonna get. That was definitely the hardest part, at least up to this point. All right, so now I'm gonna get my X-Acto knife, cut around the edges, all the excess wrap off. All right, guys, now onto the fun and rewarding part of the whole thing. Spray this down one more time and squeegee it all out and heat gun it, and you are basically done. My back, my arms, I know it didn't look like much, but getting this to cut out nicely, I feel like an old man. Spray it on. All right, guys, we actually got it laid out and squeegeed out for the most part. There are a lot of these little air bubble lines. I'm gonna try and get those out with a heat gun, but they're especially under the mirror and on the driver's side. So my idiot ass put the e-brake down to see if the car would roll, and it didn't, so that I could lean over and work on the windshield. But now, if you come back here, my car did roll, and it is against the garage. So now I'm gonna push it forward like that. Okay, and we're gonna leave that up because, let's see, no damage, thankfully, but I'm still stupid. So it turned out really nice. Not gonna lie, there is one bad imperfection right here, and it is, I seem to overheat it right here, so I think I burnt it, but you can't even tell because of the little emblem. I still have to post heat it, so I'm gonna go over it again with the heat gun and get all the small things out. Let's see it from the outside. Alright, so we got the black roof, and obviously inside the garage it doesn't look like anything at all, but in the daytime this is gonna look really sick. I have a good feeling. Alright, so we finally finished the windshield and we finished the roof. Now let's put the windshield banner on. You guys might know Christina's 350s has that white windshield banner that says YouTube Car Gang. Well, I got that exact same one but in yellow, and mine isn't reflective, sadly, but I got mine from BigTime Grapicss, as did she, and I also got the black roof, as I had stated, from BigTime. And let's throw that thing on. It'll be really quick and easy. So like before, you want to make sure you have a clean surface. So spray it and then squeegee. Alright, so next you want to get some tape like this. Nothing too strong. And you want to place this right in the center where you think it'll look good. Slap that tape on there. Alright, so like that. Then you want to grab it. Rip it. So this is an urgent step. Now you want to step back, take a step back, look at it, see how it looks. It looks pretty good from here. So now you get your X-Acto knife. You want to peel back on this, just like that. And then you want to simply cut it. There you go. Throw that to the side. And now this is also a very important part. This is where you're gonna lay it down onto the car. So you wanna grab a squeegee of some sort and simply just start squeegeeing it down and lay it down onto the car. All right, you wanna do the same thing to the other side. This part, you wanna peel tape up, just like that. Peel it back past the tape. This automatically falls off. And now you want to do the same thing you did to the other side, just like this. So this is basically your last step. You want to peel the backing paper off, just like this, across the entire windshield. And then maybe post-heat it a little bit. Guys, this is how it turned out. That looks so sick. Oh my gosh, I love it. Shout out BigTime Grapicss for hooking us up with awesome. We customize these, by the way. This color, the font, and everything is customized by me and Christina, and we worked with BigTime. You guys can go get yourself some for a pretty good price, not even gonna lie. But holy smokes, I love it, I love it, I love it.